Hi everyone, I am Asia, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Safa College of Arts and Science from E-Content Development Center. Today we are going to discuss the topic inheritance. I hope after watching this video, you will get an idea about the inheritance. First of all, let's go through the inheritance. What is an inheritance? Inheritance is the process by which object of one class acquire the properties of object of another class. This is called inheritance. It is the mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features, that is, field and methods of the class of another class. In Java, that you can create new class that are built upon existing classes. This is called inheritance. Next one is inheritance terminologies. First one, superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called base class or a parent class. Then second one is subclass or a child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called derived class, extended class or child class. Next one is reusability. What is reusability? As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you can reuse the field and methods of an existing class when you create a new class. You can use the same field and method already defined in previous class. This is called reusability. Then next one is types of inheritance. In Java, there are 5 types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. First of all, let's see single inheritance. What is a single inheritance? In single inheritance, subclass inherit the features of one superclass. This is called single inheritance. Let's see the diagram. Class A and class B. In this diagram, we have two classes, class A and class B. Class B can acquire the properties of class A. The syntax is public class A opening bracket declaring variables and methods goes here, then close the bracket. After declaring base class, we can create subclass from the base class. The syntax is public class B extends A, then opening bracket, we can declaring variables and methods goes here, then close the bracket. Then let's see the example. In this example, we have 3 classes. Base class, second one is derived class, and third one is main method class. Here, dog class is the derived class. Dog class can access the properties of animal class. Let's see the example for single inheritance. In this example, we have 3 classes. Base class, second one is derived class, and third one is main method class. Here, dog is a base class. Dog can access the properties of the animal class. This is all about single inheritance. Next one is multi-level inheritance. What is a multi-level inheritance? In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also act as the base class to the other class. This is called multi-level inheritance. Let's see the diagram. In this diagram, we have three classes. Class A, Class B and Class C. Here, Class A is the base class of Class B. Class B can access the properties of Class A. And Class C is the derived class of Class B. Class C can access the properties of Class B. Class B is base class as well as derived class. This is called multi-level inheritance. The syntax is public class A, opening bracket, declaring variables and methods goes here, then close the bracket. After declaring base class, we can create derived class. The syntax is public class B extends A, opening bracket, we have declaring variables and methods goes here, then close the bracket. Then public class C extends from B, opening bracket, declaring variables and method goes here, then close the bracket. Here B is a derived class of A as well as base class of C. Then let's see the examples for multi-level inheritance. In this example, we have four classes. First class is animal class, second class is dog class, third class is baby dog class, and fourth class is test inheritance class. Here, animal class is base class of dog class is base class of baby dog class. Baby dog class can access the properties of dog class can access the properties of animal class. These are all about multi-level inheritance. Next one is hierarchical inheritance. What is an hierarchical inheritance? Hierarchical inheritance is when two or more classes inherit a single class. It is known as hierarchical inheritance. Let's see the diagram, hierarchical inheritance. In this diagram, we have three classes, class A, class B and class C. Class A is base class, class B and C are derived class. This is about hierarchical inheritance. The syntax is public class A, opening bracket, declaring variables and method goes here, then close the bracket. After declaring base class, we can create subclasses for the base class A. Here B and C are two subclasses extends from class A. Next one is hierarchical inheritance examples. In these examples, we have four classes. Here, animal class, dog class, cat class and test inheritance class. Animal class, dog class, cat class. Here, animal class is a base class, dog and cat class are derived class. This is all about hierarchical inheritance. Next one is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, one class can have more than one superclass and inherit the features from all parent class. In Java, we can achieve multiple inheritance only through interfaces. Let's see the diagram, multiple inheritance. In this diagram, we have three classes, class A, class B and class C. Here class A and class B are parent class or base class. Class C is the derived class. Class C can access the properties of class A and class B. The syntax is public class A opening bracket declaring variables and method goes here. After declaring class A, we can declare class B. Here A and B are base class. C can extend the properties of a class A and B. This is called multiple inheritance. Next one is hybrid inheritance. It is a mix of two or more of the above type of inheritance. Since Java doesn't support multiple inheritance with classes, hybrid inheritance is also not possible with classes. This is all about inheritance. I conclude my session. Thank you very much.